So today we're going to open up this RC Pocket Racer. You can see it right there.
Okay.
And here it is. Let's go get started. It's in radio.
Okay.
And it says on the YouTube channel, it says on the show, and then the very list comes in there. And you just open up here, and there comes your neck. Pop up the third list.
What is that? Are those cones?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see what you have in there. So you have 3 cones. You have the control.
And then here's the on button. Whoa.
There you go.
Mommy, look!
There you go. That's pretty fast. Whoa.
That's light. Look, it's kind of like a real car. Watch.
Yeah.
Watch.
Let me see. Wow, it turns on.
Wow, this is really cool.
How about you line up those cones and go around it?
Okay. Easy.
We'll run over it.
Whoa, it works.
Whoa, that's pretty cool. Wow, it even lights up, huh?
Kind of like a real car. You can prank
Let me see it.
You can prank your friend with it. This would be a good prank. You leave it on the ground, and you stand in the bush, and then you start to control it. Woo!
That's going around you. Whoa. Goes round and round. Whoa, that got the other one.
Whoa! Watch.
Uh-oh. Whoa, that's cool. Whoa, I got the second one. Got all 4 of them.
This is cool. One. Wait. Whoa. Every time it can jump really high on a big ride. I can bring this to skate park. Wait, do you think we can go uphill?
We can try that later.
Maybe tomorrow. Woo. Beep. Beep, beep. It can work. No, no. Whoa, I can go. Oh! We have to make these videos much more long.
Okay.
You can buy these at any store. Toys R Us. You can buy this anywhere. You can buy at Toys R Us, Walgreens, and any place that has toys. You know what's the coolest thing? It's kind of like a real car. Is where.
Okay, let me see it. Whoa. So when you go backwards, the red light comes on.
But if you go straight.
And you go forward, the front light comes on.
It can go in the dark.
Mm.
Let's see how it goes in the dark.
No, we'll try that later because we got lights. You can still control while you're on the other side of the wall. Okay, go make it go backwards. Okay, go backwards. It's working.
Yeah, because it's connected.
Mm. Okay, a few more tricks.
Okay, I have a good trick. Okay, I might want to move forward. I can make it go up.
Oh, and ramp?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Whoa! How about make it go this way?
Down?
No, make it go this way. Okay, make it go.
Instead.
That's it.